If you're buying or selling a home, you know you have to call those Callaways because they are going to take care of you and make sure the process is done so easily. And of course, we have back with us today Kelly Callaway to tell us about another amazing home.
This is a very unique home.
Really?
It backs to a golf course, which is very sought after. It's in the magic 85254.
My favorite.
It is. It's Golfview Terrace subdivision, which is only 15 homes.
Oh,
so
wow.
It's a rare opportunity in there.
Yeah.
It's 3 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, split floor plan, gorgeous wood beam vaulted ceiling in the family room, living room. Absolutely gorgeous
Yes,
home.
it does. It sounds beautiful.
Has a beautiful terrace with a pool and the golf course views. Absolutely lovely home. It was constructed in 1984 and has all the great things like plantation shutters and great
nice.
curb appeal, and it's just a wonderful feel-good home.
All right, and of course, you know I'm going to ask you, what's the price?
The price is $699,900.
And it backs up
And
to the
it
golf
backs up to
course,
the golf
and
course.
it's in the 85254.
Yes, absolutely.
Okay, well, once again,
home.
we know this one's going to go super quick,
Yeah.
so people definitely need to call you. And I know if this isn't going to be the one that's going to fill their dreams, or if they don't get to it in time, I know you're going to hook them up for the right home.
It's always our pleasure to do that.
Thank you.
Thank you.